Oh, it's on?
Yes.
Hey BFS, I'm Rayne.
And I'm Isaac.
Today we're going to be opening more Party Pop teenies, so let's get started. Do I just twist it now? I'm going to check this out. Ew, she's a unicorn girl again.
Ew. I hate it.
No. I like mine way better than yours. Never mind. Mine's blue, so never mind. And she came with, well, maybe she's not a unicorn. She came with half-eating icing cupcake. Like, the cupcake's not even eaten, it's just the icing. Who just eats the icing? You're supposed to eat the whole cupcake, girl.
Mine came with a fox headband. And they,
Oh, she must be one of the animal girls, like my other giraffe girl.
and a plate of cookies. Plate of weird looking cookies.
Yeah, she's one of the animal girls. Her name is Sophie. Oh, I got Lily. I wish I got her with the cat ears. I love cat ears. But I got her in Unicorn. I mean Winter Wonderland. I thought that she was Unicorn. I got Winter Wonderland girl. Wait, it says she has a crown. Where's the crown? Eh, that's not. Is it in here? Oh, there it is. It's in here. Crown's ugly. Exactly. Ugly crown. Just annoying with their head. How do you take them out again?
Yes,